Okay, so we just unboxed the MORENTO air purifier. We just got this in Amazon and liking it so far. It's so easy to use, so easy to I didn't even read the instructions. I was just doing or following my instinct on how to like do this, and it's like really simple. Unlike other purifiers that it's gonna puzzles you with how to replace the filter or organize it, this one is really easy. As you can see, if you want to replace the filter, just pull it out, take that out, put in a new one, and then put it back in and close it. And I'm just gonna measure how tall is this so you will have an idea. So it is 16 inches tall and 12-inch wide. So 16 by 12. I can already tell it's more than enough for a decent sized room. So I'm gonna plug it in and start it later, and we'll see if there's a big difference. I have a problem with I have a problem with allergies, especially during the spring and summer season when the pollen's all over the place. We have a air exchanger, but every night I'm having a stuffy nose because of the air quality in our room. So hopefully this will improve it. I'll have to use this one tonight, and tomorrow I will let you know how it goes. Okay, so after I turn it on, it says that my air quality is really bad. Red means that the air quality in your house is bad. I just want to give you a quick update. The color indicator now is green. That means that the air quality is now good or almost excellent. The excellent value is 28 and now we're on 30, 31. So it's getting there, and I can really say I notice a whole lot difference. Like the air is light, feels clean. I don't know how to explain this, but this one works. I'm telling you this one works. I'm gonna leave it overnight, and again, I'll talk to you tomorrow.
The next day.
Okay, so while waiting for it, good morning guys. I'm just gonna give you a quick update about the air purifier that we got. It really did make a lot of difference. The air quality was so much lighter, it feels so much better, and I slept better, to be honest. This is not a paid review about this product. I'm just trying to do what I can to help those people that are suffering air-causing allergies. I am. Hopefully this one helps. I'll put the link on the description below so you can get the same exact product that I'm using, and I'm loving it so far. Oh, by the way, there's a night mode on it, so if you're really sensitive to light and you want your room to be really dark at night, then you can just turn it into night mode and it's gonna turn off the light. But yeah, I'll talk to you again guys for my next review of a different product, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.